Hello, beautiful ones. Thank you for coming here today. So, here I decided I chant a bit. This is not really something that I do commonly here all the time, but it just feels it is time. And chanting is very intuitive and it's very unique to obviously the person who is chanting. And so in this chant today, I really would like to bring heart harmonics, which is my gifts as a bigger thing to you. And I would like to share that on 3 different levels. First, to restore harmony and peace to the new octaves of light and energy and consciousness. Secondly, to, if you wish, to unlock the magic within you. And thirdly, for Earth, to connect really fully to Earth, to that shift, to everything that's going on in this recalibration, that rebirthing of Earth, together with the whole cosmos conspiring to make it all happen. And so this chant is sharing with you these 3 levels so that you just take it as it resonates. So I'm really getting ready very seriously now to do this chanting for you. You may want to close your eyes and just take a moment. Kanariya tona medako, antariya tora menaya, andara torara karara menanaho, antara torara menanaya. Tonana rerara konana honana tariya o, kinaya honaya, kanana terara menana o, nakonara terama. Antamaterana ho nara, antamaterana ho yaya kona, antamaterara ho nanaya, chirara ho yaha, tora makena nayo maya, tora makena ya, tora makena na ho tia. Meramu Atiya. So just enjoy this heart harmonics coming to you. And even to the after of this harmonics, just stay with it for a little bit longer. To restore your peace and harmony, to unlock your magic, to rebirth and anchor this new light into all. Feel connected for a moment to the earth around you, where you are. To nature. Just be one. Just breathe. Enjoy the space that I'm sharing with you. The multidimensional space of heart harmonics, of wholeness. To step within and beyond. To unite with all there is. And slowly bring yourself back. Let me know how that experience was for you. How deep can you go within and beyond? Much love from my heart to yours.